Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we will take a look at the Samsung S20 Plus 5G. The Samsung S20 Plus 5G is the latest Samsung Galaxy phone, and this time it comes in several versions. There is S20, S20 Plus, and S20 Ultra, and all come in standard or 5G version. The one reviews is Plus 5G 128GB, and in Czech it is available for at around 26,000 Czech crowns, which is about 1,000 euros. This phone has 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate and 90.5% screen-to-body ratio with 3200 x 1440 pixel resolution. The glass is Gorilla Glass 6. The European version or international version has Exynos 990 8-core CPU and Mali G77 MP11 GPU. There is 12 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage with possibility of expanding the storage with SD card, and it comes with Android 10. It has 10-megapixel front camera and 3 back cams, with main camera being 64 megapixels. The fingerprint reader is under the screen and it has NFC chip for contactless payments and also super fast Qi wireless charging and also reverse wireless charging, which means you can charge another device just by putting it back to back with S20 Plus. Built-in sensors include accelerometer, barometer, gyro, compass, and proximity sensors. The phone is also IP68 water and dust resistant and has 4500 mAh battery. Okay, thanks for watching, and if you like my channel, please subscribe.